yesterday. There was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the Monday.
Hello, welcome back to Life Midwife. Dorothy and I have an unpaid sponsored Beebeecraft order again.
Yahoo!
Yeah, this is exciting. We're super excited about this one. So, you know, our last contract that we had with them, we did the diamond paintings.
Yes, we did.
This time we're doing some die cuts and one other item. So we're going to show you the items and then we'll make samples of everything and show you how nice they look. All right, let's get a little closer. Bring you down just a little bit like this. We'll take them out of the packaging. Okay, so this is a fall tree with the pumpkins and all the pretty fall colors. Yeah, that'll be a fun one to make. And then, what one have you got?
I've got a canning jar.
Oh, yes. And it's got flowers and lace that you can decorate the top with. Little labels. Yeah, so that'll be fun too. This one is funny. This one is, you know, like a McDonald's French fry container.
Mm-hmm.
That's what this one's like.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So there's this, and then this section.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. But you can put like a little floral thing or something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Oh, that's very cool.
All right. These, oh, this one. Okay, so you know how I have the one die that's long, it's like for like on a trellis, but it's leaves with just little tiny flowers. These ones are that concept, but different ones than what I have. So I thought it would be fun. Like the big one I have is similar to this, right?
Mm-hmm.
But
oh, different types.
yeah.
Very, very cool. I almost need to turn the camera or move it a little.
So let's just, yeah, there we go. So those are going to be a lot of fun. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And it keeps going.
It does.
There's more. Now I get the outside panel and there's an inside. Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Sorry, that's upside
That's
down,
okay. This one is
but a gate.
no, it's a fall basket.
Oh.
It's a basket. And then it's got sunflowers and bumblebees. And,
Oh, that'll be fun.
yeah, isn't that neat?
Very, very neat.
And this one is, so you make a solid card, and then this is kind of like a screen over the solid card, and then you got flowers to like make them like 3D.
Oh, cool.
Yeah. So we're gonna go away for just, you're not even looking at us. We're gonna go away for just a couple minutes to you guys and play with these, come back and show you the amazing products. So thanks again, Beebeecraft, and as usual, there will be a coupon code. So Kevin will be sure to put that on screen somewhere and in the description. All right, we'll be back. We have been spending
busy
making the samples, but I haven't unboxed one thing for you, so I want to do that first. I'm looking forward to doing something with this.
That is gonna be so cool. That is delightful.
Isn't that sweet?
That is very, very sweet. And look at the top on it.
I know.
Like, that's really cool.
I might do something like a snowman or something in there.
Mm-hmm. It's
Or-
very delightful.
I haven't quite decided,
Mm,
but there'll be a video.
that is so delightful.
Yeah.
I like that it's got that lid,
Mm-hmm.
base, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah. Okay. We'll start with one of Dorothy's favorites. She loved this one. And I think she's probably going to do it for your granddaughter's birthday.
I think I might. Yep.
Yeah. So it looks like a French fry container. But you can decorate it and put candy, treats, whatever.
That's so cute.
Yeah. These are just samples. There will be projects being made with all of these items. We just were quick samples, so those are all the pieces in there.
Yeah,
It looks complicated, but it wasn't.
no, it wasn't at all.
No.
And it's so cute.
Yeah. Yep. Very impressed. So this one is a win for me with Beebeecraft.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay, then all the different leaves that go up like a what's that called? Trellis. And I've got a piece of white paper here. It's just they cut very nicely. They all did.
Yep.
Yep.
There might be doubles of a couple.
Yeah, you just cut a bunch. That was all. But that's cool.
A couple different colors. Just because we could.
Mm-hmm.
So I am actually, put it down.
Yeah, so they all cut really nice.
They
Very
did.
impressed. Yeah.
Yeah, they were really good.
Okay. I'm leaving my least favorite till the last. Because
Okay.
there was one that I am not. Yeah. But that's okay. You can't love everything. And maybe Beebeecraft can improve it when they get feedback, right?
Mm-hmm.
Not very often I complain about them. I love that company. All right. That's that one. The basket with the sunflowers. Keep in mind, this is just a sample, so we will be doing projects, but it's too cute.
Oh, isn't that adorable?
It's too cute.
Yep.
I love
So
it.
adorable.
I absolutely love it.
Yeah.
You know, the centers, it would be nice if we put some 3D foam on the back,
Mm-hmm.
you know, and
Boy, there's a lot more you can do with it.
tons more we're going to do with that.
Yep.
So that one I love too. Then the mason jar.
I love.
Yes, I do too. I absolutely do too. Now we didn't cut out all the pieces. We just made a sample. Come on, get out of there.
It's hiding.
So, coming out the other end. So of course, there's all your pieces. And we just made this little mason jar.
Mm-hmm.
And I like the contrast of colors.
Yes.
All right. Go down that way. The fall tree. Love it. It is one that is very, very tedious though.
Yeah, it's got lots of teeny, teeny, tiny pieces.
So there's our sample.
Yeah. It was a lot of fun to cut that one out.
Yeah. Yeah.
And the leaves come off so nice.
Oh,
Like, not a problem.
the whole thing cuts very nicely.
It did.
It
Yeah.
Yes, very
The
nicely.
little
cut.
wee tiny tendrils were a pain in the neck, but survivable.
But they cut easy. And,
yeah.
yeah. So we've got other little pieces that I just dumped all over the table.
You did.
So anyway, it's stuck here. There we go.
We could probably do this later.
Yes. Okay. The last one.
Oh, and it's falling out. Where did these fall out? Oh, that's from the tree.
This is this one.
It looks lovely.
This is the sample that I did. It was very difficult to cut out. So this is my first attempt. And so I had to redo it. And then I had to use an X-Acto knife to get some of the pieces out. And you can see right here where my finger is, so it'll take some playing to get it to work. I love the concept. Just having a hard time with the cut. Oh, there was one piece in the mason jar that didn't cut.
No, it was the heart.
The heart.
And it wouldn't cut.
No.
It wasn't...
But the rest of it all did. It was wonderful.
It wasn't made properly. It just didn't have any...
Edge.
Yeah. And it didn't have enough of anything else to do anything?
Well, you know what? We could do it on a card and it would give it an embossed look.
Yeah. Yeah.
That would
That's
work.
true.
That would work.
Yeah.
So that is okay.
Yep.
Yeah. But this was the only one that I wasn't pleased with.
Yeah, it's so intricate,
Yeah.
a pattern, as beautiful as it may be.
Yeah.
But this is a nice quality paper, and it just did not cut through.
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah,
So-
you can see it did not cut through.
But that's okay. We will keep working on it. All right. Thank you, Beebeecraft, for sending all these fun projects. And stay tuned, because the next few weeks, these will all be used in projects.
Oh, they sure will.
Yeah. Yeah.
And my little Dania Ray's birthday is coming very soon.
Yes.
I think she would be delighted.
Yeah. Make a bunch of them and take them home and let her stuff them.
Mm-hmm.
All right.
Awesome.
There will be a code in the description and somewhere on here for a discount. And we'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Yesterday there was sun.